I don't know if y'all could see him or nothing. He came right off, yo. He spit it. Oh, another takedown.
I almost fell.
Bro, that's
I had to
fire.
get myself together.
Another one. Yo.
Bring them in, y'all. Pay attention to my tennis shoes. So this is the part where I lost my shoes. I knew I shouldn't have walked out there in them shoes.
I'm not letting him off.
Hold on, because I knew I had to walk out there.
Fire. Fire, bro. This is our second home.
Oh, man, I'm so mad I lost my shoes. Here come my bro, though. Come my bro. With the assist.
Oh, you gotta pull him in from
Look, right there. Boop, I lost one shoe.
the. Walk him all the way up on the bank for you.
Right about now, I lost another shoe. Right there. All my shoes came off. Look at me going back trying to get my shoes out the mud. It ain't happening. Look at me looking for the shoes.
I lost another
Now look at my feet.
Did you lose your other
No
shoe too?
shoes on my feet.
You said
Both of my
someone's going.
shoes is gone.
They're gonna
Let
wash
me go
up.
check
That's somebody's
again.
easy down.
I
Y'all
started
see
falling on
JoJo's hooked
rocks.
up.
I was like, never mind.
JoJo's hooked up.